Bonjour and welcome to French School. Today we are going to learn ER verbs. In French, there are three kinds of verbs: ER, IR, and RE verbs. Today we'll be looking at ER regular verbs. Regular verbs follow a certain formula, so you don't need to mug them up. They're your friends. They are very easy. You just apply the formula and that's it. Let's look at our first verb today, danser, which means to dance. Now to conjugate this verb, what do? First, we will eliminate the ER. What we left with is DANS, to which we will add the following endings: E, ES, EE, ONS, EZ, ENT, ENT. Once we have added the endings, the verb looks as follows: Je danse, tu danses, il danse, elle danse, nous dansons, vous dansez, il danse, elle danse. Now you can conjugate any ER regular verb in the same way. For example, the verb parler, which means to speak, the verb chanter, which means to sing, also the verb travailler, which means to work. Now you can give a little description about yourself using these verbs. For example, bonjour, je m'appelle Anne, je chante bien, I sing well. Je danse aussi, I dance also. Je travaille chez French School, I work at French School. After chez, you can put your company name wherever you work. Thank you for watching. Merci beaucoup. Stay tuned for more videos on French. Au revoir. Bye.